Okay, hi there. Now we'll try to look again into a very interesting problem in kinetics. Well, we have here two different blocks, no? Lain-lain ang block. Ang isa, of course, lain man siya, so tawag na niya kay block A, ang isa, block B. Okay? Two different blocks are connected through a pool. No? Pulley ni siya, no? Pulley system. And released. So, bali, i-connect mo sa pulley, kani siya, bali, na siya i-kuanda, kaning rope or cord, na-connect aning pulley, then kana siya, na-connect with aning pulley gihapon, then back to this one. Okay? Ang kani siya nakakonect sa center sa pulley. What is the tension in the cable? So, pila man daw tension aning nga cable? Yan lang ka simple ang question. Pila ang tension? Bali, iba kaning nga cable na inat man ni siya. Pila ang tension na sa cable bali? The coefficient of static and kinetic friction between block A and the ground. So, bali kaning imuhang A, di ba? Kay in contact niya sa ground. Na a friction between the block A and the ground. Ang coefficient of friction will be 0.4 for static, 0.25 for dynamic, respectively. Assume that the pulley is massless, bali walay mass na imong pulley, gaan lang gid siya or dili ba bugat jud kay imong block, therefore negligible na ang weight sa pulley, and frictionless bali ang pulley but dili ning surface. Okay? That's normal really. Pulley are no design man siya para wala kayo friction. Now, grabe ka simple lang ang question. What is the tension on this cord? Okay? Inga na lang ka simple. But ang pag-solve ani is dili kay nga naka straightforward. Nga naman. In this case, na kay duha na pag-connect nimo ng duha, na kay actually duha ka posible nga mahitabo. Okay? Case 1 will be the system will not move. Meaning, dili mo move ang system. Basin ba imong block B kay gaan lang kay compared sa imong block A? Or baharag 20 na siya, that nasa limin nga, kaya niya na birahon ng imuhang block A. Okay, meaning, will not move or static. So kung static baling will not, system will not move, meaning block A and block B will not move. Therefore, ang frictional force nga nag-act now on block A and this floor is due to static friction. So ang atong gamiton is 0.4. Okay? Now, kung move bali na silang duha, then we're using 0.25. Okay? But how will we know if the system will move or not? Yan lang kasimple, no? How will we know that the system will be moving? So that we will know if it will move or not, we'll assume first that the block is moving. So, nga na ito ang technique ba? Assume that, no, the block is dynamic. No? The blocks will move. Let's try to do that first. Blocks will move. Lisod pod, ang block B mulihok, then ang block A dili. Di na siya pwede. They are connected by an extensible cord, meaning dili sila. Kung mulihok ni mong B, dapat mulihok po na imong A, right? The blocks will move. So mulihok silang duha. Okay? Since we assume that, simple lang dayon kayo. The blocks will move, then things will be easy for us. Okay? Sayon lang bali para sa ato. Now, kung mulihok ni siya, you could analyze forces acting on block A. Okay, let's try to do that first. FBD, no? Draw the FBD diagram. And since block A, kay paano man no? Moving on a horizontal line or horizontal path, ingano di ko mag-draw ba? Ako ang block is point lang para sayon lang i-draw. So, FBD on block A. So, this is x-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. What are now the forces acting on block A? So actually, always gina siya na kay weight downward. Okay? Equal to mg, of course. We also have, sa man nato ang line pa, we have downward, we also have upward force, normal. Since the floor will support the weight, na siya provide na Fn, normal force. Okay? What else? Well, this being pulled by a what? We assume it's moving, right? So it's being pulled by this cord. So there's what we call tension. Okay, tension. Now we also have friction since ito ang floor kay dili man siya frictionless, so natay friction. Kung we assume that this is moving towards the right, then therefore friction will be acting towards where? always na siya opposite sa motion. F, no, F friction, F times uh, F, okay? Force due to friction, force due to normal, so Fn. Now, how many unknowns do we have here? Do we know weight? I think we do, right? Do we know normal force? Well, by looking at this only, we know that the block won't be jumping, so therefore, the forces along y must balance. So if we know weight, then we know what is the normal force Fn. Okay? Yung ana lang bali ka simple. And if we know Fn, since equal lang siya actually sa weight, we'll actually can tell what is the force due to friction. Ano man? Well, sa static kuan man good, sa static nga ano, sa pag dynamic gani, constant ang force nga gina-provide due to friction equal to, no, kani man ang force due to friction if it's moving, mu k n. Constant ni siya kung move. So bale, kung kabalo ka ano, Fn din. Kung kabalo ka sa normal force, you'll know what is frictional force. And therefore, kung kabalo sa frictional force, kabalo ba dayon ta kung pilang t? Well, supposed to be kabalo ta kung wala galihok, pero kung galihok na gani, well, we don't know yet. So, kaya nga naman. Anyway, we'll show that later. So, yung anong approach to determine tension, we could just do summation of forces along the x-axis. Okay? We'll do that. Summation of forces along x. To the right is positive. Supposed to be, we'll have here tension minus frictional force must be equal to mass times acceleration along x. Okay? Mass times acceleration along x. Now the question is this zero? No, we can't tell. Since the block moves, we cannot tell if it's moving at constant speed or not. We're not given with anything. So we assume that AX will not be zero. So to determine T tension, what is force due to friction? Let us solve that first. Okay, to determine FF, you must know what is Fn. Okay, and doing this, looking at the system, you can do summation of forces along y. Upward positive, and this must be equal to, well, Fn minus weight of block A, of course. Fn minus weight of block A must be equal to mass times acceleration along y. But we know Ay must be equal to 0. Nga naman? Well, kabalo man ka, as the block moves, dili mo siya move along y. Di siya move up, di mo siya move down. Just move horizontally. Therefore, Ay must be 0. In this case, Fn therefore is equal to Wa, the weight of block A. So in that case, the frictional force therefore will just be equal to mu k, which in this case is 0.25. We assume the block to be moving, times normal force, which is Wa, weight of block A. So weight will simply be equal to, well, in this case, equal to weight of block A. I'll just call it mass A times G. Okay? Mass of A times G. This is weight, right? Tama. So here, therefore, makuha na to ato ang tension. In this case, we could write tension will be equal to M mass of block A times AX. Okay? Plus 0.25 times MA times G. So actually here, do we know MA? Yes, I think we know. We are given 10 pounds. Do we know AX? That's what we don't know. So here actually, we have one equation, but we cannot directly tell what is tension yet because AX is not known. Mo-accelerate siya, pero wala kabalo kung mo-accelerate pila ang value sa AX, pila ang value sa acceleration. And ang naka-okay ani, ang naka-tricky ani is kitagaan taglain pud na block. Okay? And this block B now will actually solve that case. Ingani ang pinakakuan crucial nga dapat mabuhat ng naling. The acceleration of block A, since connected man sila, will somehow be related to the acceleration of block B. Okay? And this is actually dependent motions. And actually, the ani nga case, I think makita na nato ba? Or can you, no? May imagine ba ninyo nga kung move ang block A daan sa 1 meter, pila man ang movement sa block B downward. I think ato yung makita ang marag 0.5 meter lang. Ano man, duha man gud ni nga move, no? Na-divide man gud siya diri sa duha nga row. Okay, so dili sa ato na explain kayo diyan but actually nga ani ang case. Movement of A, like dA, is just actually distance traveled by A will just be kung mo travel nimong B downward, 1/2 of distance traveled by B, block B is just 1/2 of distance traveled by block A. Kung niya nato i-explain na ang details sa kaning mga nganing nga type sa motion kunya lahi na lang sa nga topic ba, lahi siya nga discussion. Let's just have this kay mao man siya ang tinuod. If we differentiate that, we'll be with respect to time, we'll be getting velocity of block A will be 1/2 of that of the velocity of block B will be 1/2 of that of block A. We differentiate again with respect to time, we'll be getting acceleration of block B will be equal to 1/2 of the acceleration of block A. Ngun ana ang pag-dependent ang imuhang motion. Ngun ana sila ka-link. Okay? Now, if we know that, therefore, actually we can write the same equations here daan sa ato ang block B. So, let's try to do a free body diagram on block B. So, the block B is here. Okay? What are the forces acting on block B? Well, we have we have here, which is weight of block B. What else? We have, kung ato mag to show the forces, ato na siyang i-cut bali. We will be exposing two tensions, upward force. Okay? Upward tension, another tension na upward. Or wait, ito lang ipatakilid ko na. So here we have a tension, another tension here. And take note that kung imuhang cord kay inextensible, then wala kay friction dire. Tension here must be the same as tension daaning nga mga tension. Okay? Unfair pud sa rope, daan ni kay inat kay siya or daw kay ang tension niya daan ni kay gamay lang. So para dili unfair dapat ingon ana. So there are no horizontal component of the forces. So therefore, simple lang bali kayo diyan eh. You could just write summation of forces along y. No? Upward positive must be equal to mass times acceleration of B along y. Okay, AB. Now, what are the forces acting? We have duha ka tension minus weight of B, which is we write it as mass of B times G must be equal to MAB. And what is cool in here is that we could actually write AB in terms of AX. Okay? You could write AB in terms of AX. Ano man, kabulo man tang ang AB 1/2 AA, no? Acceleration, no? We call that acceleration of block A. Kabulo man taan na. So therefore, we could write tension here on the left side. Tension will then be equal to MB massa block B times G, okay, times G. Dayon kani siya will be plus kabaluta nga kani siya kay M gihapon ng MB times ang AB is just equal to 1/2 AA. So that we can write here times 1/2 AA. No, naglisod ko sulat pa kay naipit na. Oh, wait, let me write it really clearly pa para clear ang atong pagsulat. Let me write it somewhere down duol sa tuang kuan. Okay? Actually here we could write tension is equal to una nga atong sulat ning MAB. So mass of block B times 1/2 of or 0.5 acceleration of block A, right? AB is 1/2 AA plus MB mass of block B times G, everything divided by 2. Okay, okay, 2 team. So everything divide 2, then divide 2. So here actually we now have MA and MB are known. So here actually we have what? We could write We have two equations to unknown. We have tension and we have G. Ano? Tension and A. Acceleration. A. Pareho sila og value. Ang value ano? AA, pareho sila. Therefore, two equations to unknown, one could actually solve for the answer. By the way, what is MA? Well, they talk about the mass is 10 pounds. If you want to use SI units, then you could convert this to kilograms, right? I think by just dividing it by 2.2, you'll get that in kilograms. So 10 divide 2.2, roughly we have a what? 4.55 or 4.4545. So equivalent siya sa 4.545 kilograms. Okay, kaning 20 of course will be equivalent to 100/11 or 9.091 kilogram. But actually, pwede lang gihapon mo na siya i-pounds lang. Actually, magma-cancel lang na ang unit later. Okay, magma-cancel lang. But it's up to you really how do you do that. If this will be the case, so saan mo na siya pag simplify. No? I will write it in terms of I prefer writing really this in SI. So let me write everything in SI. No, atong i-klaro, then let the calculator solve things for us. Okay? So here I erased the rest of the writings so that we could solve this clearly. So I think pinaka-easy lang nga so pag-solve ano is we equate tension and tension. We could write here mass of block A times acceleration A plus 0.25 mass of block A again times G equal to mass of block B times what? Okay, times AA over, this will be 1/2 over 2, so that's 4. Here, mass of block B times G over 2. So we collect everything that contains mass of block AA. So here we could have MA plus MB over 4. Okay? MA plus MB over 4 must be equal to, well, dili plus, no? Minus. Kaya itong ibalhin siya sa left. Here, itong ibalhin sa right ang mga kaning kuan ba? So we'll have here, 0.25 is 1/4, right? So that's 1/4. No. Wait. Una ko na itong sulat ang positive. So we'll have here MB times G over 2 minus MA times G, so kana siya over 4. But it's 0.25, so over 4. Therefore, nawala to ang AA dyan. AA. Therefore, from here, by substituting values, we could actually obtain AA equal to, bali ang AA. So, atong pulihan ang kuan MB, pulihan na to akong gipulihan og 4.545, so I'll write it down. MB is 9.091, right? MB is 9.091 times G. In this case, I'll use G nga SI. 9.81 divide 2 minus MA is 4.545 times 9.81 divide 4. Then I divide everything by this term, MA minus MB over 4. That's what? MA is 4.545 minus 9.091. Okay? So that is equal to negative. AA is negative. Wow. Negative 7.36 meters per second squared. Okay? Wow. Let me check again. Basin na mali ko ba? Okay, so here I think I made a mistake on, writing this one. Just try to check again, no? Atong i-check the collective balik. MB, what is MB? MB is 9.091 times 9.81 divide 2, so that's the first term, minus MA, 4.545 times 9.81 divide 4. Okay, that's MA. So I put that in parentheses and wait, wait lang, parentheses, then wait. So divide that by MA minus MB. Divide that by MA. Okay na? Divide na to siya by ani. MA is 4.545 minus MB 9.091 divide 4. Okay? So equals. The answer is 14.72. Oh, anong naingani kanina? But anyway, let me write it. 14 point, so positive na. So I think mas okay ni siya. 14.70719. Ako lang ibutan ng para taas patawag. Anyway, dili mo siya mong gipangayag gid. So we write para dili kita magkakuan ka error in rounding up. So meters per second squared. Now, if we're looking now for tension, you could write here, tension mo itong gipangita. So we substitute here the value. And I think we could get tension, right? So let's check. 14.719 times MA, which is 4.545 plus 0.25 times MA, which is 4.545 times G, 9.81. Okay, the answer for tension is, tension here, therefore, is equal to 78 newtons. Let us check dani basig lahi na no. So meaning wrong atong answer kung lahi ang answer dani. So tension dari kung kani atong equation gamiton will be MB is 9.091 times 0.5 times A. What is A? A is 14.719 divide 2 plus MB again is 9.091 times G, 9.81 divide 2, 78. Okay, so we're happy to get 78. Tension therefore is equal to 78 newtons. In this case, okay, so kanikaron mga itong nakuha nga tension value. Tension of the cord, if the block will move is 78. But how can we tell kung nag-move ba gid ang block o dili? Okay? Now let's try to take a look. Bale kung mo ang tension 78, 78 ang tension. Let's try to look kung unsa karon ang nahitabo sa block. Okay? What are the forces acting on the block? Block A. Okay? Now, sa block A pa lang daan, kabaluta nga along the horizontal, there are only two forces acting on it. Okay? Tension. Here we have friction. Now, if the block, pila man ang maximum friction nga ma-provide sa block due to, static friction, kay mao man ang pinakadako niya, di ba? Before siya move, dapat ma-overcome na siya nga friction. Pila man na siya? Well, friction is equal to mu static. Kaya mas dako man ang value sa static friction, mu s times n. Ilang normal force? In this case, normal force is equal to the weight of the block. So the weight will be 4.545. So 4.545 times G, 9.81. That's the weight of the block. Times mu s. So what's mu s? 0.4. Times 0.4. So the maximum force that it could provide, due to friction is 17.883 newtons. Therefore, since ang tension daan ni kay mas dako pa man sa imuhang maximum force na ma-provide due to friction, therefore ma-overcome na niya and therefore move bali imuhang block. Okay? Dili ni siya move kung ang tension develop di ani kay mas smaller sa tension nga ma-provide sa, for example, tension develop is, shall we say, um, 16 or 7 or 15. Therefore, di na mo move mo ang block. Okay, ma-provide niya sa friction, ma-balance sa friction, and therefore, dili siya mo start moving. Okay? I think, bro, na mali daning nga kuha no, sa setup, but di pa na ko figure out karon. Siguro kung na mali dani, I'll try to figure it out and add a video, correction video for that. So I think that's it for today. Thank you.